Hi, my name's Anthony. Welcome to my YouTube channel. Here we are in my back garden with my dogs in Wigan, beginning of March. Reason why we're here is due to this motorbike here that's been sat here since November. Bought it off the internet, off eBay. I've been talked into doing what's known as the longest day challenge. The challenge is to raise money for Cancer Research UK. It's been going for around 10 years now, I believe, and every year they raise a lot of money for Cancer Research UK. I'm hoping to do the same through sponsorship, donations, things like that. There's some little alarm going off in the background. Can I fix that? Yep. If you want me to? Nope. Okay. Oh, it's all right. So, Cancer Research UK. The challenge is Land's End to John O'Groats, 1,000 miles or thereabouts, usually just above, on the longest day of the year. So a solstice. Can't use motorways. It's a bit of a planned route, and the idea is you use an inappropriate motorbike and your budget is £600. So as I said, this is the bike that me and my son picked up. Bought it from Cornwall, took a trip down there. It was a non-runner when we bought it. Couple of little things that it needed to be fixed. I've done a couple of things already to it. So I'll grab the camera now and I'll walk you around it. Let's pull the cover off then. I'll do what we've got. So we have it, Honda NTV650. The guy that bought it off said it carries the name of the Iron Donkey. See why? It's really heavy and it's a donkey. So that name will stick. I'll grab the camera now, I'll walk you around what we've got. Let's give you a walk around it, let's see what we can see about it. So when I picked it up, the guy said he was using it quite regularly until the throttle cable snapped. It did actually come with a new throttle cable. It's now fixed. Fixed that before I thought about doing a video about it. Throttle cable didn't fit, of course it didn't. But here it is. 1996 Honda NTV650. V-twin. Shaft driven. Yeah. Quite a little, no oil leaks, maybe a little bit of an oil leak, not too much of a serious one. Just crusty. Probably spent quite a lot of time outside. Aftermarket exhaust. I should make my ears bleed after 24 hours. Great. Not sure what this is. Stainless steel. Can't see anything stainless steel. Maybe that screw there. Yeah, that's about it really, I think. She's of course Slick 50 protected. That'll come in handy. He did say changed recently the back disc brake. He said they're quite difficult to come across. He's fitted a stainless steel piston, and we've got a braided line as well for the brakes. That's something I shouldn't need to mess with. One reason for choosing this bike, of course, is shaft drive. So should give me not a lot of hassles there. Don't need to worry about chains. Just need to change the oil in this thing, which is only here. Takes a spitful of oil. I'll be doing that in the next couple of weeks. horrific mirrors, which apparently is a BMW, he said. You can see the world behind you in those bad boys, can't you? Mileage, what does that one say? 25,000. Will it make it to 26? That's the question. Well, 26 and a half. Plus, of course, we've got to do some riding down and some riding back. So like I said, we picked this up from Cornwall. Me and my son took the van down. We paid £260 for this bad boy. We took the van down, found the gentleman, can't pronounce his name or remember what it was. Told me about it, and he was, even though I bought it off eBay, he was still asking whether I thought the bike was alright, whether I still wanted it. As far as I'm concerned, an eBay bid and you've won it, the deal's done. So I said, yeah, I said it's a matter of not the bike, but the budget. I said, I've only got a certain budget to spend, and this bike fixed that budget. Instantly the guy looked at me, took a breath and went, "You're not doing the longest day bike challenge on this bike, are you?" I said, "Yes, I am, that's the plan." The gentleman then said, he was quite gutted about it, you could see the look on his face, he went, "If I could give you the bike for free, I would do." And the guy looked very genuine when he said it, and I believed him wholeheartedly that I think he would have given me the bike. And he said he'd lost a lot of people to cancer, and he named them, and it was quite shocking how many people he said he'd lost within the last 12 months to cancer. So again, that spurred me a little bit further. He gave it the name of the Iron Donkey, which it will stick. Here goes there, can we say hello? But then he said he's got final commitments, couldn't give me the bike, but he said what he would do, give me all the spares he had. He was hoping to make some money on the spares. Here you go, Hazel's just minding those for us. So he did give us spare seat, spare shaft drive, spare standard exhaust, pair of wheels, a fairing, and I've not ever seen this sort of fairing on it. Whether I'll run with it, I don't know, but we do have it. But yeah, he gives me some other parts. There's spare disc brakes, cylinders for the other caliper that's not been done. I think that's the front caliper. But there we have it. So it runs, sounds okay, needs a service, needs an MOT. First thing I'll be doing before doing any major things to it is I'll put it in for its MOT, see what the guy can find, what I've missed, and then we'll go from there. But that isn't the end of my plan. See, for me, bike's still appropriate, and I think the bike is easily capable of doing 1,000 miles. I think with an oil change, that bike could do 1,000 miles tomorrow. Maybe change the tyres, they look a bit dry rotted. So that wouldn't be very me to do it. It's not my style of bike. So we have plans. Okay, so like I said, we have plans. This is what I'm thinking. So by all means, I am not a mechanic. I've got no mechanics training whatsoever. But as Liam Nielsen would say, I do have a certain skill set. So my plan. Can we take the bike here and shorten this back to about here-ish? And just delete this. I don't like it, can we just delete it? Right here, I don't really care for this too much either, so can we just delete that as well? Where's my finger? There it is. Forks here. Could we just change those to an updated set. CBR forks, upside down forks, new front wheel. Bear in mind, I'm going to do this all within the budget of £600. The budget does give us a few things that we can do outside of the budget, so I can get new tyres. New tyres. Safety first, guys. New tyres. What did you say, Hazel? No, Hazel's gone. She don't like it either. Maybe change tighten up the frame a bit. That's it, it's a bit crusty. Service it, get it running. Because this is not my first bike build. This is actually my second bike build. I like cars and I like trucks. Not really bikes, yeah, but more cars and trucks. So I've done a bike build before. It's under this cover over here. So here, let me just show you this one for people who haven't seen this one. Let me just move this camera. Click. Oh, it's going to jump everywhere. Oh, this is rubbish. Okay, so we have a bike over here. Let me just grab this one for you. Off the floor. Why do you start making noises like when you get old? So this is my other bike. Let me just drag this bad boy out. This is my 1986 GSXR 750. This was built really without a budget. It was a case of if I liked it and wanted it, I sort of bought it and spent the money on it. Hayabusa Gen 2 front end. Aprilia RS250 rear swing arm, all bolted up to a Hayabusa rear shocker and all the trick bits it needed. I do like the Buell style exhaust, so that's what we went for here. Anyway, but let's talk about this one too much. Can I make this bike look like my style of bike for £600 and still make it capable and comfortable to ride 1,000 miles in one day? That's going to be my challenge. So I'll be doing more videos, take you along with the process. I'm going to make some room in the garage first because of course I can't do it in my back garden because I just can't. But we'll be taking it along. I'll do more videos showing where we're up to. If anyone wants to tag along with the journey, please feel free. Like and subscribe, drop me a comment, tell me if I've done anything wrong in my videos, any improvements. Do I waffle on a bit too much? More than likely. Or anything you want me to see to do the bike. I mean, if you want to, I can walk you through the servicing and stuff like that, but it's pretty simple really, but I don't mind. But if anyone wants me to walk through what we do for the servicing before we pull it apart, walk it through the MOT, then yeah. So this is my style. Aggressive, short seat, back wheel sticking it into nowhere. But can we do that to that? Anyway, this is the end of this little video. Hope you enjoyed it. See you all soon, guys.